Welcome to 201 Autumn Stroll Court. This lovely 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath home with a 1-car garage, covered front porch, fenced backyard, and laminate hardwood flooring downstairs inside. It's located in the Nightingale subdivision in Lexington, convenient to I-20, Lake Murray, and Lexington 1 schools. So out front, you can see there are nice sidewalks in front of the home on this side, actually both sides of the street. You have a 1-car garage with a widened driveway, so you can fit 2 vehicles in the driveway depending on size and still have one to get out of the garage. You also have some nice landscaping outside at the time of the video, as well as a covered front porch. So take a look inside. There's that light for you. So inside you'll notice the laminate hardwood flooring, a darker color as you enter. So right off the entry, you have a coat closet on the left side. And then you have sort of a dining area in the space as you enter. Large window on the left side. You can see the fixture there that would typically go over a dining room table. On the right, immediately as you enter, you have access to the garage. It's a 1-car garage, as we mentioned. It does have some built-in shelving in there as well. Also, where the tankless water heater is located. And then on the right side here, you have a stash center for keys, phones. Typically they have a charging port in them. Not sure if this one does or not. But then right past that, you have your kitchen, which has stainless steel appliances, granite countertops. You have dark wood cabinets, recessed lighting. There are hookups for a device or phone to be plugged in to play music through the included speakers that are in here as well. You also do have a pantry on this side for some extra storage and towel backsplash as well. There's a stainless steel dishwasher, refrigerator, electric, smooth top stove, and above the range microwave also. Then you have your living room. This is a nice size area or family room. You have a nice large window on the right side there, ceiling fan, and also a half bathroom directly off of it with the pedestal sink. You have some updated lighting as you also have in the rest of the downstairs. And then your access to the back is via the sliding door here. So you have a patio out back and a nice fenced backyard. A couple trees, or actually 1 tree back there. And when I'll take a look upstairs, so you have hardwood, like real hardwood stair treads going up, which is nice. Carpet begins once you get to the 2nd story landing. Right off of the stairs you have your laundry closet. You have full-size washer and dryer connections in here, some shelving above. And then your master is sort of diagonal from it. You have a ceiling fan in here, a couple large windows, very nice sized room. And an adjacent ensuite bathroom that has double sinks, nice sized mirror. You have a garden tub and shower over here as well. In addition to a linen closet. And it's pretty deep, so you can actually step in there and store some other items vertically if you need to as well. And then a walk-in closet. You have some good built-in shelving and hanging space. Then you have 2 additional bedrooms up here, and they share a full bath. You do have an attic access panel there, possibly some storage up there. Linen closet off the hall, 2nd one. And actually there's double on this side, so 2 linen closets off the hall, which is some nice extra space. Typically have 1 full bathroom that the 2 bedrooms share, single vanity and a shower and tub, pretty standard. And then last but not least, 2 bright sunny bedrooms. One here, this one has a ceiling fan. Actually, they both have ceiling fans and nice windows looking out towards the front. Closets opposite the windows, which is pretty standard size bifold doors. And then your 3rd bedroom here, a nice window design in this one with the 2 smaller ones flanking the large window, and then a similar size closet on the opposite wall. That does complete our tour of this home, and the address is 201 Autumn Stroll Court in Lexington. You can find out more information by visiting our website at turnerproperties.com.